What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this fire attaching on this human subject effect into Adobe After Effects. So now let's get a jump on in Adobe After Effects and let's see how it is. So now first I'm going to import my footage clip which I'm going to use. So let me import my footage clip, is this one, and then I have to drag it here on this composition of Adobe After Effects. Guys, this is how my clip it is. So now first I'm going to trim because I just want to know how long my footage clip am I going to use, okay? So let me try to use like 20 seconds, okay? So I have to trim this one too. Right click here and then trim comp to work earlier. So now I'm going to use this footage clip. So I'm going to create a null object. It's going to help me to track the point which I'm going to use, okay? So right click here and then go here on new, click here null object, okay? So this null object, I have to rename it as track, okay? So now click on this footage and then I have to go to track my clip. So move down here and then search the track. Yeah, this is the track. Guys, if you don't see track here, you can go here on a window and then you have to enable this track here. So that's cool. So now and I'm going to click here on this track motion. So before tracking this motion, you have to make sure this blue line must be here on this in the beginning of your clip. So now you see, guys, I got some tracking point. Let me put it here because I just want to track this point, okay? This is nice. So, and I'm going to track. So, and then click here on this, analyze forward. So, you see, guys, the tracking point is going with that point that I have been chosen, okay? So, for here, you have to wait just a few little bit, okay, until this tracking process, it is ended, right? So, now it's gonna be done. Now it's done. So you see, guys, so now you have to click here on this edit target and then you have to choose the track one and then press OK, and then you click here on apply, press OK. So this is the point. This is all the keyframe that I have been making that tracking process. So now let me close this footage. So the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to import my fire video. So double click here and here I have some more clips of fire which I'm going to use, okay? So let me open once, okay? I have to move it down here. Sorry. This is my fire effect. So press S on your keyboard to scale it. So guys, for example, when I move this fire here and when I play, you see my point, all my fire is fixed. It is not going with my subject. You see how my subject is moving somehow. So the things I have to do, and I have to link this fire with this track layer. So when you play, you see, guys, it's attaching on my subject, okay? So when I try to move it up, something like this, you see, is already attaching to my subject. That's fine. So now let me try to increase by press S for scaling, okay? Just have to move it here. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so let me try to increase the size of the scale. Yeah, this is cool. So now let me import all, let me bring another video, this one too. Let me move down here. Guys, it means all video you have been imported, you must link with this track, okay? So let me see how this fire is. So this one I can rotate in this way. So let me try to put it here. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. I can move this one here too. So, and I have to link with this truck. You see how it is? Looks nice. So, and let me add another one by Control plus I. Let me import this one. I have to move it down here. This one so cool. So let me reduce the scale and let me make inverse like this one too. So they have to rotate in this way. How to put it here. Let me try to rotate something like this. Yes, this is nice, and I have to link it with this truck. Yeah, this is nice. So let me try to add some more fire here, guys. I want to see how the result is. Okay. So guys, for here I can add like the effect which is called it liquidify. This liquidify is gonna help you this fire here, so I have to add this liquidify because I just want to move this fire up. For example, let me increase this size, so I have to move this fire up, something like this. Okay, you see how the fire is I have to attach on this human, something like this. So when you pray, you see how it is. So let me add more and more effect here. Okay, so I can duplicate it also. I have to do something like this. Yes, I'm still adding another one too here. So this one too, and I have to link it with this track 1, 2. So let me name it one more. Rotate this way. something like this. Yes, this looks nice. So let me add just a few little ones. So by ending up, so let me add this one also here. Yeah, something like this, and I have to link it with this truck also. So this is better. Just one little bit. So when you play, guys, you see how this effect is attaching on my subject, okay? And this is how you can create this effect inside the Adobe After Effects, guys. And it depends how your subject is moving, guys. You see how my subject is moving. It's moving somehow just slow. Is that reason why you can see how this fire is attaching on this effect. Remember to use this liquidify for just a line, or just to measure how, or just to give the limit of the fire for your subject. And then if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. I just want to know what do you think. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And let's see you in next video. Peace.